Hey, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. First of all, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Then choose General Management. Now you need to select Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down again, and click on Theme. Now just click on the best one for you and go back. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into Play Store instead and download Gboard app. Then, when it's ready, open it. After that, you need to choose Enable in Settings and tap on this gray sweater next to Gboard. Then tap on OK in Attention pop-up. Following that, you need to select the back button, choose Select Input Method and tap on Gboard. Then click on Done, close Gboard app and go into Devices Settings. In Settings, select General Management again, but this time tap on Gboard Settings and click on Theme. Now you can scroll down, click on Show More, and tap on the best one for you, in my case this one. Then manage key borders, select Apply, and when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings and customize it by choosing this plus icon under My Themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard background, in my case this one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then choose Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally, click on Done, manage key borders and choose Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!